Hi guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I figured I would do things a little differently. I was planning to refresh my hair for you guys and show you guys the process of me refreshing my hair, but I had another idea. I figured I would actually try one of the Gemini Naturals Get Hued vegan color gels in Cranberry. I actually had Gemini Naturals send me this color as well as a bronzy, light blondie color. It wasn't really blonde, it was more like a light brown. You guys saw my hair a little lighter a few videos ago, I don't know if you guys remember, but I did have my hair like a little bronzy, blondie, dark, light brown, light blonde. I can't talk today. So I had my hair like a light brown, bronzy color, and I really liked the way it turned out. So I figured for today's video, since I do typically refresh my hair while I add the color dye, I figured I would just do a two-in-one, kind of show you guys what I do as I do the color dye as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video, and I will drop my social handles so you guys could follow me on there as well, and keep on watching. Alright guys, so my hair is about 4 days old, and it actually doesn't even look that bad. I apologize in advance for the lighting. This is not my typical filming spot, so I'm trying my best to kind of adjust to different rooms in my house. So yeah, so my hair is about 4 days old, and when it comes to doing the color dyes, I typically like to do it when my hair is somewhat dirty, because I don't like to actually wash my hair and put a color in and then have to like keep it in for too long. Probably the longest I keep these colors in my hair about 2 to 3 days, because I get bored so easy, which is why I'm so indecisive when it comes to actually dyeing my hair. I'm just so indecisive. I don't want to just one day decide like, okay, I want to go light brown, or I want to dye my hair red, and then I'm just like, okay, I'm bored, and then come back to my natural color. I just don't get tired of this color. I mean, sometimes I want to do something fun to it, but I actually enjoy having dark hair, so whatever. So anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna start off by refreshing my hair, and what I do is I typically just add water, and I use the gel that I currently have in my hair, which, if you guys don't know already, this is typically the gel that I have in my hair. It's the Wetline Extreme Gel. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair and then apply this gel as well. So what I've learned is when I use a spray bottle to refresh my hair, it takes way too long. So what I have been doing is I kind of just lay a towel on the floor, which I already did. So I lay a towel on the floor and I just turn on the sink, cup water. I part my hair in sections, but I turn on the sink, cup water, and just put it directly on my hair, because I feel like that just saturates my hair a lot quicker. I don't know if any of you guys have had this issue. I also would sometimes just go, actually I might just do that instead. I have a shower head, I might just wet my hair, just wet it down and just go with that. Because honestly guys, I would sit and actually use the spray bottle and it just takes way too long. I have to refill the spray bottle way too many times. So I just go ahead and either use a shower head and just wet it down and just, you know, add the gel to my hair. Or I just go to my sink, use my hand kind of as a cup and just apply it to my hair directly. But I think I'm actually gonna go with the shower head, and then I will come back to you guys once my hair is fully wet.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so my hair is fully saturated. That's step one in refreshing my hair. So what I like to do is I use a hair tie and I just part my hair in sections as I'm styling again. This just gives me my most definition. I could just go and freehand some gel, but I like to part my hair. It doesn't have to be like super small sections. I'm gonna open up the gel. So I just take about this much gel and start applying it to each section. Ooh. Nothing crazy, just go ahead and smooth it in. It's a lot easier to just go back in with the gel that you used prior to, just to avoid products not mixing well together, and that way you already know that this product combo works with this gel, so it's a lot easier. So you just continue the same thing throughout the rest of your hair. I've definitely made videos or shown you guys this, at least on my Instagram, but you guys always ask me for a refresh video. So what I simply do is I just wet my hair again, and there's no way I could just spritz it. I mean, sometimes it's just the front that's frizzy, so I'm able to do that. But most times it's my whole damn head. So it just makes more sense for me to just wet it completely and just diffuse. That works best for me. So yeah, whatever works for you. If your hair is not as thick and it doesn't get as frizzy, then I don't think you necessarily have to wet the whole thing as I do. But if your hair is that type of hair where you can't just spray it down and the frizz goes down, then I recommend you saturating your hair and going from there. Just repeat this entire thing throughout the rest of my hair. One common question that I always get from you guys is, how many times a week do I wash my hair? So one thing that I've learned with my scalp is that in order for my hair to grow and to kind of just flourish and do its thing, my scalp needs to feel like it's breathing. And I know that sounds really weird, but my scalp needs to feel clean. And I used to wait out probably a week and a half to actually wash my hair, because I figured the longer you wait, the better. But again, everyone's hair is different, everyone's scalp is different. What I've learned is that washing my hair twice a week gives my scalp that freshness that it needs midweek. So around like the 2-3 day mark, I wanna say like the 3-4 day mark, my hair starts to get, you know, it starts to get all messy because I do work out. So, and I sweat a lot, and I say this a lot. I always sweat a lot. I have no shame in my game. And for that reason alone, I feel like I have to wash my hair a lot more. I do tend to wash my hair twice a week. And if I do choose to do a third time that I actually wet my hair completely, then I will do a co-wash. I actually just recently did a video on my Instagram using the Embrace the Curl co-wash, and I actually really like it. It made my hair feel super soft. So check that out if you're looking for a co-wash. I'll go ahead and link it down below in my description. But yeah, so as you guys can see, we're getting defined curls. Alright guys, so now that my hair is fully refreshed, and if you guys only watch this video just to see the refreshing part, all I do after this is just diffuse my hair and my curls look bomb right after. So look at my wet results so far. Super defined, super shiny curls. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna start pumping in the Get Hued Gemini Naturals gel. I'm excited. So I've never actually tried this color. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing actually. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair the same way, just so the color gets evenly distributed through my hair. Because I feel like with colors, it's super important to make sure that you distribute it evenly so it doesn't look patchy. Okay, so this is the color. It's really pretty. Super pretty. It's like a, ooh, kind of looks like blood. It looks very, ooh, okay. I wonder how it's gonna pick up. But I love this gel because it makes your hair super soft. And I know it says it's a gel, but it doesn't feel like a gel. In my opinion, it kind of feels more like a creamy texture, more like a jelly, not like a gel. So let's see how it picks up. Okay. Interesting. All right, I'm gonna pump a little more because I do want this to be pretty pigmented. I want it to look bomb. Oh, this is pretty. That's really pretty. Okay. This is what it looks like so far. And it doesn't feel hard. So that's why I feel like for me in particular, my hair naturally is just really frizzy. So I need to make sure that I have a good holding gel underneath so that way my hair stays, you know, on fleek. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing throughout the rest of my hair, and then I will show you guys after. right, so the color is fully in my hair and I love how it looks so far. At least when it's wet, it looks very pretty. I hope it dries with the same intensity. What I noticed is that bronzy color did lighten up a bit as as it dried more. So I'm hoping that this kind of stays pretty vibrant the way it is. And fun fact, and I'll say it really quick because I don't want to make this super long, but fun fact is the first time I dyed my hair, I was actually going for a color like this. But I told my stylist I wanted more of a red because I was like, girl, I just want to make sure that you could actually see it because my hair is so dark. And we went for a color like this, but my hair was so dark and I didn't want to add bleach. I didn't want to add anything to it to like negatively affect it. I just wanted to dye it. So I had a red in my hair that I had to pretty much have a damn flashlight to my hair. I'm gonna see if I can find a picture for you guys. For pictures, I had to hold the damn lamp like this and pose. I'm like, thinking about that now, I'm just like, how the heck did I do that to myself? After I dyed my hair is pretty much when all my hair started to fall out, so yeah, I don't really have the best experience when it comes to dyeing. But anyways, let's talk about the temporary colors. So I ended up using about half of the product. I wanna say it was about here when I first started using it. And I wanna say it will last me about 2 more uses, which is not too bad. I will link the price to this product. I'm not 100% sure how much it costs, but I do know it's a little bit more on the pricier side, but you do get what you pay for. So Gemini Naturals actually sent me the Curl Awaken Primer as well, which is their leave-in conditioner that they recommend that you use before the color. I didn't use it this time, but I did use it for the bronze color that I did, and my color did last a very long time. I just chose to wash my hair a lot sooner, but I wonder if this will actually make a difference. So since I didn't use it this time, I'll let you guys know, because I'm not 100% sure if it's like necessary. I know it's part of like the 3 steps that you should do. So this is the first step. Really just a leave-in conditioner, so I mean, if you don't have a leave-in conditioner in your hair already, then I do recommend you add this to your hair. But what I am gonna do is just add the Color Sealing Oil Serum, which also was sent to me by Gemini Naturals. I'm actually gonna use a few drops of this once my hair fully dries. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair, and then we shall see how it works out. When it's wet, it gets everywhere, but when it's dry, it doesn't get anywhere. I mean, the blonde did it, so let's hope that the red doesn't either, because I have used the, look at me getting all comfortable. So I have used the hair paint wax, and there's certain colors that actually stain versus others, so I hope that this is not the same case for this brand. So let's see. Let me go dry my hair and we can see what the final results are. Should we get a little bit more of the wet results again? And I will check in with you guys in a few. All right guys, so these are my final results. So the color is not as vibrant, but it's still a beautiful color. Look at it, it's gorgeous. I love the way it dried in my hair. In the light, it looks super bright. So I just washed my hands to make sure I don't have any residue on my hands. So we'll see once I scrunch this in to see if the color transfers. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the Seal It Up. I'm gonna add a little bit and just scrunch it into my hair. Look at that shine, guys. And my hands, so far, no transfer, which is dope. So I'm hoping that it doesn't stain any of my clothes. So I'm obviously gonna change out of this shirt. So I'm hoping it doesn't stain my bonnets. I'm not gonna put my hair directly on my pillowcase because my bed is white. So I definitely don't wanna risk it, even though it would be a good test. But I'll be able to see if it transfers into my bonnet and I'll let you guys know. But the color, as you guys saw, was very, very easy to apply and it coated very easily. The only thing is I feel like I used a lot more than probably described because I'm just one of those people and I'm super heavy-handed and I wanted the color payoff to be crazy, so I figured I would do more to enhance the color a bit more. That's definitely a tip. If you want the color to be a little bit more vibrant, go ahead and add more color. And guys, look how pretty this looks. I think this is originally the color I was going for when I dyed my hair the first time, and it definitely didn't look like this at all. But I'm actually loving these results. I'm gonna let you guys know if it transfers into my bonnets, and I will definitely check in with you guys tomorrow and we'll see how it looks. But this is how it looks so far. Super pretty. I'm definitely a fan. It is on my skin. I'm gonna shower and it'll come right off because I just used a baby wipe just to see if it was easy to come off, and it came right off, and washed it right out of my hands. So look at my hands after I scrunched into my hair. So yeah guys, these are my results. I honestly love, love, love these color gels because they're so much easier than using the wax. I feel like the wax is just, it gets under your nails. It's just, I don't know, I feel like it's super sticky, and I will still continue to use those as well, but I do like the consistency of this product better, in my opinion, and I do feel like it lasts a lot longer. The color payout is a lot better, so it just depends on what you're going for. I do think that the hair paint wax, they have more fun colors. If you're looking for like green hair, if you're looking for like hot pink, I think they have like all those fun colors. I feel like Gemini Naturals has more of like natural colors that you can actually go to the salon and get dyed. I'm not saying that you can't dye your hair purple, you definitely could. They do have purple, I saw that. But I feel like they're not as crazy. They're just more subtle, but still vibrant at the same time. I don't know if this is making much sense. I don't know if I'm making much sense. Check out their site. I'm gonna link them down below so you guys can check them out. And yeah, I'm happy with my results. I'm really, really loving this red. I don't know, red is a vibe. This might be a fall color that I'll bring out a lot, because I love red in the fall. Hi guys, so it's officially the next day and these are my curls the next day. I didn't add any water to it. I just took out my bonnet and pretty much fluffed my hair. Nothing too crazy. The color is still as pigmented as it was yesterday. Look how bomb they look, guys. This definition. This color is really a vibe, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely tempted to do something along the lines of red for, or maybe I'll just continue to do this. I don't know why I'm saying I'm gonna dye my hair, because I know I'm not gonna dye my hair. But I really do enjoy this color because I do feel like it's a perfect autumn color, because I wanted this color so bad last time I dyed my hair, and I remember I did it around November, and yeah, this color is a vibe and it just pops out with green. I don't know if that's just why I'm like more obsessed with it, if anything. So anyways, this is what I use to sleep. I use this satin scarf. So let me just check to make sure it didn't stain. So I used both sides. I'll show you this side and this side. And no staining has occurred. You guys do know I sleep on a white bed, so my sheets are intact. I also did have this in my hair, and I had this cheetah bonnet on top just because I don't play any games. But I do know that the hair at the bottom tends to come out, and when I woke up this morning, my hair was like out of my bonnet. Like a little bit, not a lot though. And I didn't see any stains. So, safe to say that I haven't slept on a white pillow, like full on with my head on there, and I don't know if I really want to find out. But from where I slept yesterday and my scarf and my bonnet, it's safe to say that there is no transfer. I fluffed my hair out, scrunched my hair. I have no transfer on the hands. So the color looks very, very natural, and it feels super soft on the hair, and I'm living for it. I'm just such a fan of this color. I've always been a fan of like an auburny dark red, and this cranberry color really is it. Okay guys, so I decided to go on the site to give you guys the actual prices. So the Get Hued cranberry color, if you got a 2-ounce bottle, which I'm not sure exactly what size mine is. I want to say it's 2 ounces, but I'll go double check. But if you get the 2-ounce bottle, it is $16. And if you got the 4-ounce bottle, it's $26. And I know that's more on the pricier side in comparison to the hair paint wax gels. I know that they're about like $7, I want to say, $6. But overall, I don't know. The quality looks a lot more natural than when I use a color wax. And it's also more of a natural color as well. It's not like a bright green that doesn't really look natural. So, I mean, granted, it's all personal preference. I do really enjoy these gels, and they last a very long time in my hair, so. Hi guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding the color gel that I use, just go ahead and comment them down below and I'll answer them as quickly as I can. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.